Nature's marvels unveiled, the birth and beauty of tropical islands. Tropical islands are typically formed through a combination of geological processes, including volcanic activity, coral reef growth, and tectonic movements. Volcanic activity: many tropical islands begin as volcanic islands. Volcanoes are formed when molten rock called magma rises to the Earth's surface through fissures or cracks in the Earth's crust. Over time, repeated eruptions build up layers of solidified lava and volcanic ash, gradually forming an island. Subsidence and erosion: as volcanic activity decreases or stops, the island may start to undergo subsidence, which is the sinking of the land due to various factors, including the weight of the volcanic material. Erosion, caused by natural forces such as wind, waves, and rain, also plays a role in shaping the island's topography. Coral reef formation: in tropical regions with warm, clear waters, coral reefs can form around the volcanic islands. Coral reefs are built by tiny organisms called coral polyps, which secrete calcium carbonate to create hard exoskeletons. Over time, as the polyps grow and die, they create a complex network of coral structures that protect the coastline and contribute to the growth of the island. Tectonic activity: tectonic movements, such as the shifting and colliding of Earth's tectonic plates, can also play a role in the formation of tropical islands. Subduction zones, where one tectonic plate slides beneath another, can lead to the formation of volcanic arcs and island chains. The movement of plates can cause uplift or subsidence, affecting the height and stability of the islands. Sea level changes: changes in sea levels over long periods of time can significantly impact the size and shape of tropical islands. During ice ages, when large amounts of water are locked in ice sheets, sea levels can drop, exposing more land and potentially connecting separate islands or creating larger land masses. Conversely, as ice melts and sea levels rise, low-lying islands may become submerged or eroded. Formation of tropical islands: tropical islands are formed through natural geological processes, as mentioned in the previous response. These processes involve volcanic activity, coral reef growth, subsidence, erosion, and tectonic movements over long periods of time. Through these processes, islands gradually emerge and take shape in tropical regions. Palm tree growth: palm trees are a type of tree that thrives in tropical and subtropical regions. They have adaptations that allow them to survive in these environments. Palm trees grow from seeds, and their growth depends on suitable environmental conditions, such as adequate sunlight, warmth, and water. The seeds germinate, and the young palm tree begins to grow. Over time, the palm tree develops a trunk and branches, and its distinctive palm fronds or leaves unfurl. Coexistence on tropical islands: once tropical islands have formed, they provide a suitable habitat for various plant species, including palm trees. The warm climate, ample sunlight, and favorable soil conditions on these islands support the growth of diverse plant life. Palm trees, with their adaptations to tropical environments, thrive in these regions and become an iconic feature of tropical landscapes. Ocean currents: palm tree seeds can be carried by ocean currents. When palm trees grow near coastal areas, their seeds may fall into the water and be transported by currents over long distances. Eventually, the seeds can wash up onto the shores of volcanic islands, where they have the potential to germinate and grow. Birds and animals: palm tree seeds can also be dispersed by birds and animals. Some bird species, such as seabirds or migratory birds, may consume palm fruits and then excrete the seeds in different locations, including volcanic islands. Other animals, such as land-dwelling mammals or reptiles, may transport the seeds through their fur, droppings, or by simply carrying them. Wind dispersal: in some cases, palm tree seeds can be dispersed by the wind. Palm trees produce seeds that are lightweight and equipped with structures like wings or fibers that aid in wind dispersal. If the wind carries these seeds over bodies of water, they can potentially reach volcanic islands and find suitable conditions to grow. Human influence: in certain instances, palm tree seeds may have been introduced to volcanic islands intentionally or unintentionally by humans. Human activities such as gardening, landscaping, or agriculture can introduce palm trees to new areas, including volcanic islands, either through deliberate planting or unintentional seed dispersal. Tropical islands have sand primarily due to the erosion and weathering of rocks and coral reefs in their surrounding areas. Weathering: weathering is the process by which rocks are broken down into smaller pieces. In tropical regions, the combination of heat, moisture, and biological activity accelerates weathering. Rainfall, waves, and temperature changes cause physical weathering, breaking down rocks into smaller fragments. Erosion: erosion is the transportation of weathered materials, including rock fragments, by natural forces such as wind, water, and waves. Rivers, streams, and coastal currents carry these eroded materials, including sand particles, towards the tropical islands. Coral reef contribution: coral reefs play a significant role in tropical island sand formation. Coral reefs are composed of the calcium carbonate skeletons of coral polyps, along with fragments of shells and other organisms. Over time, these organisms break down, contributing to the accumulation of sediment, including fine sand, around the coral reefs. Wave action: the waves and currents along the coastlines of tropical islands continuously shape and rearrange the sediments. As waves crash onto the shore, they transport and deposit sand particles, gradually building up the sandy beaches that are characteristic of tropical islands. Biological activity: the activities of organisms also contribute to the formation of sand on tropical islands. For example, parrotfish and other marine creatures graze on algae growing on rocks and corals, ingesting small amounts of sand in the process. As they excrete waste, they release fine sand particles, contributing to the sandy sediments. Over time, these processes of weathering, erosion, and sedimentation result in the accumulation of sand on the beaches and shores of tropical islands. The composition and color of the sand can vary depending on the geological makeup of the surrounding areas, including the types of rocks, corals, and other materials present in the region. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support.